I just drove 4 hours through the night to get to Wolf Creek Ski Area, which is the first resort in North America to open, and we had to get first chair out here, so we were going to be the first people to snowboard a chairlift or ride a chairlift and then snowboard in North America. This is Wolf Creek opening day, day 1 of the season. Let's go! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! You see how there's no one in front of us? That's the way we like it. When there's such little snow, the groom is so whoopy. It's like woo, woo, woo. So Wolf Creek said they're going to open up with 3 different chairlifts, which is insane. Yeah! Alright, so that first run was so nice, the fresh groom. We kind of just bombed it. I always do that to get little top to bottoms for like short form and also for the first video of the day. It's like first chair, first run. It's insane. So now that that's out of the way and the fact that we drove 4 hours, slept in the car to get that run, now it's time to just enjoy it. Be stoked that we're on our snowboard, on a chairlift, which is really rad. We kind of rode all summer long, but a lot of that was hike to terrain. So we're back on a lift. 2024-2025 ski season, aka season 9. Has officially started. But this lift has officially stopped. Alright, run number 2. Let's see if we can find some pow. Alright, we're taking a risk. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Oh, no, that. Woo! Hopefully we can get another one in there before it gets tracked out. Woo! Honestly, the coverage is better than 2 years ago when I came for opening day. I'm happy with my snowboard choice. I couldn't decide if I wanted to bring the custom or more of a rock board. Okay, let's hit that powder field hard now that we know it's pretty good in there. Yeah, what up? What's up? How you guys doing?
Hell yeah, man.
Dude, that zone is good.
Dude, that shit's real good.
Hell yeah.
Dude, can I get a pic?
Of course, yeah. What's your name? What's your names?
Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you, bud. Jesse.
Jesse. I love meeting you guys. It's like my favorite thing. I just like so want to say thank you in person. It's so rad. So when you get a big snow dump like this and a place like Wolf Creek opens, you want to be here early because the snow is going to be nice and soft. And then with the weather, it's going to be sunny and bluebird and like in the 60s today. So you want to get your laps in as quick as you can because it's going to get wet and heavy and start to melt, which is still good riding, but stuff will start to get exposed and then the powder will be gone and people have ridden it. So we're lapping fast. This thing was actually kind of gangster. Woo. Oh, I keep forgetting to go hit the rail.
I
Yeah, what's up?
What's up, brother?
Bro, I watched you.
No way, what's your guys' names?
Nice.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, thank you.
Alright. I can't believe people are riding this section. It's so deceiving. It looks so good. There are so many rocks in here. Ooh, there's a rock. Alright, that zone's definitely blown out now. That little drop I did at the end could be fun to go back to. But the fact that we got any powder turns today, let's be real, guys. What is it? October 22nd, the day after Roman turned 7. What a sick day. This day is almost as sick as today. Sticker shout out. We have Andreas with the yellow sticker on the green helmet. Absolutely looking insane. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, we have so many color styles and versions for anybody's style out there. Even if you're a skier, we do have a ski version of our merchandise, and we have a ton of skiers that support the dream. So big shout out to you guys, and big shout out to this season. If you got a new helmet, new snowboard, any new gear, snag an Evolution sticker, throw it on there. Send me a photo on Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs like I just did. And I cannot say thank you enough to you guys for supporting the dream, snagging my merch. We're in our 9th season. The amount of stickers we have sold and the amount of times you guys have repped my logo on you is insane. I cannot say thank you enough, guys, for the love and support. And now that that's out of the way, it's time to explore. Let's meet back up with the crew. I kind of went on some like hard charging solo runs real quick, and I'm gonna do this real quick. This was a sketchier intro last time. Now Wolf Creek does have one rail. Do I dare just straight charge it? Or I probably should put some water on it so I don't stick. I knew it was gonna stick. Oh! They literally got like rivets, like little notches. That's why it grabbed me so hard. You gotta really boost her to not get got. Oh no. Dude, this zone's still good.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, I'm meeting so many of you guys out here. This is so rad. We have done a lot of southern Colorado snowboarding on our goal to ride every resort in the United States. So that's probably why a bunch of you guys are seeing me and saying what up. And yeah, I can't wait to ride more new ski resorts this season. So if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, do so, because we have a goal to ride every resort in the United States. But we're also going to Finland in 10 days. And we're going to be, I got someone in front of me. And we're going back to Austria this year. So lots of sick traveling. Southern California is getting knocked off the list this year. Woo, it's gonna be good. But now we're gonna go explore the other trail that they have open. Not gonna be as powdery, I don't think. Made a quick little car stop. We gotta take a layer off. When you do these first chairs, we showed up at 2 in the morning. We were there like, waiting in line forever in freezing cold temperature. But now the sun is out, it's shining, it's getting hot fast. We gotta dump a layer, get rid of the goggles, go sunnies. And just so you know, if you guys need any snowboard gear, all of my snowboard gear is linked in the description. If you're like, I don't know what helmet to get this season, I don't know what goggles to get this season, any of it, jackets, we got the windbreakers, all kinds of stuff. It's all linked in the description. The cameras I use, the Insta360 X4 is the one. It's like, I got you guys. This is stuff I use every single day. I wouldn't promote things I don't use, like the Clue binding. So check out all the links in the description. New fit on or less clothes. We're going to this chairlift over here. They have 3 lifts running for opening day. That's so insane. Guys, we got Evan from summer camp. We got Ant.
What up?
Technically from summer camp.
Oh yeah.
My favorite things about summer camp is we create these bonds and then we end up becoming shred buddies. You see now, guys, this is nice. But I have a feeling all the powder is now gone, so we're just gonna enjoy some runs, guys.
F-L-O-A-T, I flow. Been through the mud, I just brush it on my toes. We could book a flight or we can drive down the coast. Let's go, let's go, let's go. F-L-O-A-T, I flow. Put her in some ice, now she's saying she cold. We could keep it low.
I'm feeling a little risky.
Yeah, I'll take the risk with you.
Let's go, let's go. I like how
Gotta make sure you watch out for downed logs when it's only 20 inches of snow and creeks. Always gotta watch out for the creeks. Honestly, I wasn't mad about that run. The powder is all sun-baked, but come on. That was a little sketchy. We're feeling pretty adventurous. We're leaving the groomed. In the shade should get softer. Yeah. That's the run we were looking for. Whew.
Living a dip.
What up? Woo! I got grabbed. All right, guys, we did it. I don't see us doing any other runs. Don't see us doing much other than riding some fresh little snow. An absolute big shout out to Wolf Creek for opening. We got first chair too, which is always a rad experience, especially with Trailer Tom and the guys that are really into getting first chairs and, you know, put a little bit of work in. You get the first turns of the season. It's so sick. I do want to mention that I am hosting an incredible meat and wax rail jam at Infinity Slopes in Loveland, Colorado. Not the ski resort, the town, on November 23rd. So if you guys want to come be a part of a rail jam or just be a part of the event, meet me, get your stuff tuned by Michael, the ski doctor. This event is going to be the sickest thing that I've personally have ever put on. We're gonna have tons of giveaways, clue bindings given away at the event, but of course the rail jam's gonna have a bunch of rad swag to be given to you guys from all my awesome sponsors, which you can snag from the link in the description. November 23rd, be there. Infinity Slopes at Loveland, Colorado. It's that carpet snowboarding type of facility. It's so sick. So make sure you guys come check us out. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. YouTube really wants you to check out this video at the end. They literally hand selected it for you.